Hello, and thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch this video. This video is going to detail a professional development opportunity that I am hoping to apply and attend for this upcoming summer. This program is sponsored by the Goethe Institute, which is a German-based program out of Washington, D.C. and Boston, Massachusetts, to name a few locations. The Goethe Institute's purpose is to share with their members and other stakeholders about the importance of modern and contemporary German culture. The Goethe Institute selects teachers from across the United States and Canada to attend a 2-week study tour in Germany to learn more about the modern and contemporary events that have shaped German culture and how they impact the world. To help strengthen the application, the Goethe Institute encourages their teachers to share with fellow teachers a little bit about their program. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a little bit about the Goethe Institute and the top study tour. The reason why we're doing it in a video and not live is because my fellow teachers, you have shared with me and through informal conversations that our weeks are always jam-packed with meetings. So to help you with that, I am doing a video to help you watch it in your spare time and in your own time. That way I'm not taking away from your planning period meetings. So before we get started, if we were to ask any of our students in middle school or that we teach, what is 3 things that they can name about Germany? Most of them, a large majority of them would say the Germanic tribes from the Middle Ages, Nazi Germany, World War II, Berlin, Adolf Hitler, the Cold War, the Berlin Wall. What the Goethe Institute allows us to share with our students is that Germany is bigger than just those events. The contemporary modern Germany is shaping their own identity and a new identity. So, this video is going to share with you a little bit about the Goethe Institute, the program that I'm hoping to apply for, and a little bit about how you can get free resources for your classroom and what's better for teachers than free resources. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you what I'm asking you to complete at the end. So let's start with how do you get there. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to type in top Germany, 2 words into Google, and the first thing that pops up is the Transatlantic Outreach Program, TOP, through the Goethe Institute USA. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. And this is the program that I'm hoping to attend. So for the 5 social studies teachers and the 4 science teachers, they have curriculum for social studies and science teachers. All I did was click on top for teachers, and there's a STEM curriculum that science, technology, engineering, or math teachers could all click on. And there is also a social studies curriculum that has been implemented and rolled out by the Goethe Institute in hopes that we could share with students contemporary German knowledge and tie in Germany to STEM programs. Such things in the STEM include sustainability, the metric system, and contemporary ideas. Such topics covered in social studies is immigration and migration, Cold War history, and contemporary issues. So a little bit about the Goethe Institute program. Top study tours is offered, and it's been offered since 2002, and it basically takes about 100 teachers across the United States and Canada to go and learn about contemporary ideas in Germany and that Germany impacts the world. Not only do they offer associates programs, but they also offer STEM programs. So science, technology, engineering, math teachers. If you have an interest in studying the world or interest in traveling the world, like I have for my entire life, you can apply for this program and you will have the opportunity to apply and hopefully be accepted into traveling to Europe and to Germany to experience what the world has to offer. So, a little bit about the Transatlantic Outreach Program.
We've been to so many different places. Frankfurt and Bad Wildbad, Heidelberg and Heute Offene Stiftung and Geisa and Berlin.
That's most surprising is seeing how Germany is working to embrace its diversity.
We learned about the coalition and the Green Party.
Devotion to environmentalism.
And for example, going to the Deutsche Bank and seeing a modern skyscraper that doesn't have air conditioning, uses rainwater for some of its plumbing.
This is cool, huh?
It's so awesome.
The standards that I teach are World War I, World War II, and the Holocaust. So before I came here, they asked us to write down those 3 words. What do you know about Germany? And I wrote aggression, beer, and Holocaust, which isn't really a great thing to think about a country. The first day we got here, I was talking to somebody next to me about this beautiful gold dome building I'd seen out of my hotel room. And this stranger was listening while we were talking and stopped everything of their wonderful Sunday excursion to take us for a walk to go see it. And it's just immediately, right? I'd been here 2 hours and I already lost all of those words that I brought with me. So my new 3 words that I wrote yesterday were hospitality, openness, and determination.
If you come here, you can, especially talking to people on the subway, talking to people at a restaurant, they will give you honest answers. I don't think just reading things out of a book can really give you that authenticity.
We've set up an exchange with a German teacher I met while on my study tour, and his class of students and my class of students are going to be sending each other videos and perhaps Skyping so that they can continue to learn more about each other's culture and way of life. When we were on our study tour, they asked us, what are 3 words that come to mind when you hear Germany? And I wanted to hear what you think of that. What are 3 words that come to your minds?
So, now that you see the video, the purpose of me attending this program or applying for this program is to bring back knowledge to my students and real-world ideas back to my students and to all students to show them that just because past events have happened, it doesn't dictate everything that is happening in the world. Hopefully through applying and being accepted into this program, I will be able to expose myself to new ideas that I may not be aware of with German culture and open my eyes to something bigger than just World War II, the Cold War, and the Holocaust. So, a little bit about it. Like I said, they also give teachers free resources. So basically what you would do is you would go to Experience, and then you would go to Top Workshop Leaders, and it says on the right hand side, request free materials. Teachers are all about how can we get this and how can we use it for our classroom. And you just type in request free materials, do your name, and it will allow you to get free materials. And all you do is go to digital materials or hard copy materials. whichever one goes quicker. What I'm going to do is click on 1, and you can order as many as you usually want. Some of them are out of stock, but if you need copies of any of them, I have copies of them in my room, and anywhere from DVDs to books to lesson plans, everything that you would need to do STEM or math or social studies or engineering related to the Goethe Institute and the German program is all available at this site. So I thank you for watching this video. The final thing that I'm going to ask you to please do is in your mailbox in the front office is a form that looks like this. It says workshop attendee form for attendees. I ask you to put your first and last name, your teaching position, your school name, your home address, your home city, state, zip, your primary email, and I ask you to please check this box. And if you would, please either put it back in my mailbox or bring it to my room after you have filled it out. And that way I can document that I have proof that I have done it. I thank you for taking the time for watching this video, and have a wonderful day.